Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a new store or how to create a new store in WooCommerce. So simply just you have to click on WooCommerce and after that just click on start a new store. So simply just here you have to type your address. In first line you have to add your address like your home street, and in the second line you have to also type your address. After that here type your city, and in next section just type your postal code. So here select your country or state. So in my case I am selecting my country. So simply after that here you have to type your email address, that is your professional email address or you are currently using. Simply after that move to next section. So here tell us about your business. So simply here you have to fill your business details in short. So simply just select how much products do you want to publish or display on your store. So after completing this click on next. So here you can also order a new domain or you can change the new domain. Currently I have this domain, so it's provided by WooCommerce. Simply click on continue. So here in order to create a new store or if you want to establish any store on WooCommerce, you have to add a payment method. Without payment method you cannot create a store on WooCommerce. So simply you have to add payment method through credit card or PayPal. So in this way you can create a new store on WooCommerce.